Hello, welcome. Today we are exploring 6 anti-inflammatory foods to ease knee, hip, and back pain. Inflammation occurs when your body responds to harmful substances. For instance, it might react to pollen, leading to allergies, or to bacteria, resulting in infections. While inflammation is a protective response, chronic inflammation can negatively impact your health. Long-term inflammation can damage the tissues in your joints, such as ligaments, bones, and tendons, potentially leading to conditions like arthritis, Crohn's disease, and spondylitis. Common areas affected by joint pain include the hips, knees, shoulders, and lower back. Although anti-inflammatory medications can help, adjusting your diet can also reduce inflammation and swelling. Here are 6 anti-inflammatory foods that can help alleviate knee, hip, and back pain. Omega-3. Rich foods. Foods high in omega-3, such as fatty fish, chia seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds, can help ease pain in your knees, hips, and back. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammatory proteins like interleukin-6 and C-reactive protein. Additionally, the vitamin D in oily fish supports calcium absorption, aiding in bone density maintenance. Leafy vegetables. Dark, leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and bok choy are rich in magnesium, vitamin K, and calcium, which boost bone mineral density. These nutrients also promote cellular health and collagen production, crucial for healthy ligaments, cartilage, and joints. You can incorporate these vegetables into stews, salads, or smoothies. Calcium-rich foods. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. Foods like dairy, yogurt, cheese, leafy greens, almonds, and tofu are high in calcium, which helps build bone mass and manage inflammation by mitigating the effects of metabolic disorders. If you're lactose intolerant, consider alternative sources like almond or soy milk. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are excellent for supporting bone health and easing pain in your knees, hips, and back. These nuts and seeds are packed with magnesium, calcium, fiber, omega-3, and protein, which aid in bone and muscle development. Try adding them to smoothies, salads, or enjoy them as a quick snack. Eggs. Eggs, particularly the yolk, are rich in vitamin D and have anti-inflammatory properties that support bone health and help manage pain. Whole grains. High-fiber whole grains, such as whole wheat bread, quinoa, and brown rice, can help combat inflammation and reduce knee, hip, and back pain. These grains contain phosphorus, a mineral that works with calcium to alleviate joint pain. Incorporating these 6 anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help ease knee, hip, and back pain. However, be mindful of food allergies. For instance, if you're allergic to dairy, consider alternatives like almond or soy milk. Always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes.